Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to transfer Charles Schwab to Robinhood. This process is known as an ACATS transfer, which stands for Automated Customer Account Transfer Service. It allows you to move eligible assets like stocks, exchange-traded funds, and cash between brokerages. Before starting, make sure your personal details, like your name and address, are identical on both your Charles Schwab and Robinhood accounts to avoid delays. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, open your Robinhood app and tap the person icon, then select Transfers. From there, choose Transfer Accounts into Robinhood and find Charles Schwab in the list. You will need to accurately enter your Charles Schwab account number and confirm your account name. Next, decide if you want to transfer all your assets with a full transfer or just specific ones with a partial transfer. Review your selections carefully before submitting. It is important to be aware of potential fees. Charles Schwab typically charges $50 for a full account transfer. While Robinhood charges $100 for outgoing transfers, they may reimburse transfer fees up to $75 for accounts transferring more than $7,500. Keep in mind that certain assets, such as fractional shares, cryptocurrencies, mutual funds, and bonds, usually cannot be transferred through the ACATS system. Once initiated, the ACATS transfer usually takes about 5 to 7 business days to finalize. During this time, your Charles Schwab account will be restricted, meaning you cannot trade or withdraw funds from the assets being moved. After the initial transfer, any remaining cash or unsettled trades might arrive in subsequent residual sweeps. Always monitor your Robinhood account to confirm all your assets have successfully arrived.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.